Well, certainly, Gilead has been among the four horsemen of biopharma. I think Jim Cramer has called them. We're here with Daniel O'Day, the CEO of Gilead. Dan, thanks for being our first guest here at the conference.
Thanks for having me. It's great to be back. It's great to see you again.
Bright and early, I know. So, you're our first guest. This is often the conference that people talk about as setting the stage for the year in the industry. How would you look at sort of the outlook for the industry broadly, given drug pricing, where we are with new innovation, the political environment, just sort of everything? What are you looking at this year?
Well, I think we saw in the pandemic what an important role the industry played and continues to play. And I think that carried on, not only with COVID-19, but also many other therapies in the industry. So I'm incredibly impressed by what the industry has contributed. And, for Gilead, I think this is a very different time than when we met actually 3 years ago at this conference. It's a very different place. The team has implemented really well in the strategy. We're in an incredibly strong position in terms of both the diversity of our portfolio and the promise of the portfolio. And that's true in both, HIV, which has been our strong legacy part, building on that, but also incredibly important new medicines for cancer and COVID-19.
Yeah, well, let's talk about your HIV business, because you have a new approval there recently with a new kind of drug that you don't have to take so frequently. And you're looking at this both as treatment and then potentially as prevention. And even with the possibility of ending the HIV epidemic at some point? Is that how you're looking at it?
That's our goal. Our goal is really to end the HIV epidemic. I mean, it's hard to overstate the importance of this medicine. It's called Sunlenca. It was approved in the FDA just before the holidays. And Gilead for decades has been the world leader in HIV medicines for treatment and prevention. And we have once daily oral pills for both treatment and prevention. What this medicine does, called Sunlenca, is actually reduces that frequency to once every 6 months. The approval before the holidays was for very late-stage HIV patients, which is characteristic of how we approach the development. But to your point, we're doing now studies in prevention and in earlier lines of treatment. I'm most excited about the prevention because today, we have about 1 out of every 4 patients in the United States that could benefit from prevention medicine on an oral daily pill. We think this twice-yearly regimen, if approved, and the trials could really more than double the number of people on prevention. So that could significantly change the nature of the epidemic, both here in the United States and in the developed world, but very importantly also in the developing world.
Well, let's talk about another virus, the COVID-19 virus. And of course, you have remdesivir, which is standard of care for hospitalized patients. You're also working on an oral pill, which may not have some of the issues we see with Paxlovid, like the drug interactions, for example. Tell us about the progress with that oral pill and how you're kind of looking at COVID-19 as a market opportunity at this point.
Well, the team's done amazing work, first with having the first approved treatment with remdesivir during the pandemic. And they haven't stopped. They kept looking at ways to find an oral medicine that could be used for patients outside the hospital. There's still a great need, even with the current oral medicines out there for certain patients. And we believe that our new oral COVID medicine, which actually just went into late-stage trials just before the holidays, and we'll be starting a trial in the United States here in the first quarter of this year. That's news at this conference, actually. And we're looking forward to bringing that for a benefit to patients. In terms of the overall nature of the business, we look at both the impact of, our COVID-19 therapies on our business, but we also look at our underlying business in HIV, in cancer, and in the other areas that we're working on. They're both important, and we want to make sure we are poised to bring the next advance to patients in all of those diseases.